Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These things are really cool. The first set of earbuds that I've picked up in a while, I think I had like the original Galaxy Buds, so it's been a bit. But yeah, I really like these. The active noise canceling is absolutely phenomenal. I've got a little one in the house. I can put these on, and if she's like whining and stuff to her mom, which is my daughter. She's my granddaughter. I can barely hear her. It's not like I'm, ignoring my own kid. It's my granddaughter, just to let you all know that. But yeah, really cool. I think they're fantastic. Go ahead, open them up here for you. You can see how small they are. I do like that they do have the different size tips on here. I currently have the larger one on there. I felt like it did a better job at giving me the best sound and everything. Fits really comfortable in my ear. I can move around quite a bit, have absolutely no issues with them falling out or anything. As soon as you pull them out, they will begin to pair with your phone. Pairing process, super simple, just like most buds are out there. And you're going to get a whole bunch of charging time with the case as well as with the buds. I mean, if you're going to the gym pretty much every day, each week, this will still get you by. Just throw it on the charger, which it does come with the charger cable. It's a USB-C charging cable that connects to the back of here. And then here on the bottom, you can set this on a wireless charging base and you can charge it as well. So super easy. If you have one of those, 3-in-1 type nightstands where it charges everything, that's what I have. I just throw my watch, this phone on there, and it's always good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for these. Sound quality, absolutely amazing. Like I said, I really like them. Active noise canceling. It also has that the through noise, I think is what it's called. So it kind of amplifies the noise. And then with that active noise canceling, it does like automatically know when you're talking, which is an option that you can set on there. And it'll turn that off so you can hear ambient sounds and have a conversation with somebody. All types of different settings on here so that you can dial in the sound that you like, whether it be, you like highs, mids, lows, lots of bass, whatever. You can go in there and adjust that accordingly. Yeah, I mean, I wish I could like put these on your ears and let you hear them, but I'm absolutely satisfied with these. Highly recommend them, and I think you will be too. So go ahead and check these ones out.